Let us do the next question. That is the 8th question. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So children, here first of all you should understand what prime numbers are. The numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 3. 3 only comes in the table of 1 and 3 itself. So its factors are 2, that is 1 and 3. Another example of prime number is 5. 5 only comes in the table of 1 and 5. See, basically factors are the tables in which the number comes. 5 comes in the table of 1 and 5. So the factors of 5 are 2, that is 1 and 5 itself. So the numbers having only two factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. That is the numbers which come in the table of 1 and in the table of itself are called prime numbers. Now they are asking you to write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. So first I have written the natural numbers from 2 to 12, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now as the word was from, that means we are including 2 and 12. Now out of these, what are the prime numbers? That is the numbers which have only two factors, 2, because 2 comes in the table of 1 and 2 itself, 3, 5, 7, 11. You can carefully that all these numbers come in the table of 1 and the table of itself. So total natural numbers are 11, you can count them, and total prime numbers that we have found is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They are 5 in number. So the fraction of prime numbers become 5 over 11 because total prime numbers are 5 and total natural numbers that we have written are 11. So the answer becomes 5 upon 11. Question number 9 is on the same lines. We have to write natural numbers from 102 to 113, which I have already written. You can see, and there are 12 natural numbers in total. And out of them, you are going to write the fraction of prime numbers. And children, you can see the prime numbers over here are 103, 107, 109 and 113. I repeat, prime numbers are those which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So the fraction of prime number is 4 by 12 because prime numbers are there 4 in total and total number are 12. Again, yes, you can write 4 by 12 in the lowest form because 4 by 12 comes in the table of 4 together. So 4 ones are and 4 threes are. So this can also be your answer. Coming to the 10th question. What fraction of these circles have x in them? Children, there are total of 8 circles with you. And out of the 8 circles, 4 contain x in them. So the fraction becomes 4 by 8. And you can reduce, or you can leave your answer till here. You can reduce the fraction into the lowest form. Question number 11th. Kristen received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 CDs as gift. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive? So first of all, I'll write the total CDs. Bought 3, total received CDs 5. So total CDs in all she is having, bought plus received, is 8. Now the fraction of CDs she has bought, you should write the number of CDs bought in the numerator and then the total number of CDs in the denominator. That becomes 3 by 8. Net fractions of CDs received. She has received a total of 5 CDs and total CDs in all are 8. So the fraction becomes 5 upon 8. Now children, I hope you are clear with question number 4 to 11 of exercise 7.1. You can do all these from question number 4 to 11 in your fair notebooks and revise these concepts again and again. Thank you.